The FAME Procurement Solution is designed to cover all the special requirements for the building industry seamless. The module covers all the requirements for developments, constructions, and facility management projects. First, an overview about the concept and the main functions. The procurement model runs as a standalone solution or in combination with other FAME modules. The FAME procurement module is designed for the building industry. Ready-to-use setups for developments, construction, and operation are included. The FAME procurement solution supports also the handling of value contracts. Procurement pick lists for special user groups available. Predefined order lists can be created, for an example for office supplies, office furniture, cleaning supplies, or IT-related equipment. No limits. The warehouse module is seamless integrated. If the warehouse function detects min warehouse stock, the warehouse module triggers automatically the procurement process. The module contains a ready-to-use procurement structure for developments, constructions, and operations. The procurement approval workflow supports, at the standard configuration, 3 levels. The seamless integration with budget and estimate management is an option. The following slide shows the main functions. The main procurement document with cover letter and unlimited order positions. Linked with value contracts. No limits. Integration with the FAME tender module. The positions of the tender are seamless connected with the positions of the procurement order. The warehouse stock can be filled up with a procurement order. As an option, the procurement order is linked with the budget and estimate management module. The procurement order cannot be proceed if no budget is available. The escalation process starts before the invoice appears. Procurement approval by higher management. The management checks and comments the procurement request and has the option to reject the procurement request complete or reject a particular positions of the request. The procurement officer modifies the purchasing request, and the approval process starts again. The standard configuration supports a second approval level. The approval chain can be configured separate for every department or value contract. For an example, the first approval done by the department leader, the second approval done by the supervisor of the procurement department. We show now some functions. The procurement module is a desktop solution. After the login, the tile to start the procurement dashboard appears. The procurement dashboard is designed for the procurement officer. He manages and checks the procurements on the lowest level. He adds, changes, or deletes procurement positions. For an example, all the procurements of his division or linked crafts created from tenders or value contracts appears on his dashboard. If he has done the approval and tick the checkbox, and all the position of an order are checked, the purchasing request appears for approval at the next higher approval level. Red text shows that the purchasing request does not pass the next approval level. The procurement officer reads the comments of the manager and changes the order position. The position appears automatically at the higher approval level again for review. The next dashboard manages the approval levels. If the login person is appointed for the approval levels, the orders appears under his approval levels headlines. At level 1 headline, or at level 2 headline, or under additional levels. The approval levels can be mixed. Maybe for one procurement class, the login person is appointed for the first level approval, and for another procurement process, he is appointed for the second approval level. The approval workflow is driven automatically by the system. If the manager not approved at a specified time, the escalation starts, or the procurement request automatically forwarded to the deputy. The next example shows the procurement process based on a value contract. If the login user is selected for the procurement ordering, all linked value contracts appear at a list box on the top. The user selects with a click one procurement contract. The order positions appear at a list. The user enters the asked quantity. The prices can be hid. The procurement request appears at the dashboard of the procurement officer. The last example explains the warehouse interface. If an item reached the min stock level, the procurement button appears at the warehouse dashboard. The stockkeeper presses the button. The order form appears. The user chooses the amount of items to fill up the warehouse stock. The procurement request appears at the dashboard of the procurement officer. The approval process starts as explained before. We show only some functions of the comprehensive FAME procurement solution. Reports and additional functions are available. The FAME procurement solution manages gap lists the whole procurement process. The FAME procurement solution offers a clear order process. No procurement execution without a detailed approval is possible. That guaranteed budget discipline and adjust the estimates. Thank you for your time. Don't hesitate to contact FAME Direct or one of our partners.